Hey guys, welcome back to the channel here at DTI Travel, where we make travel affordable and also easy. So here on this channel, we will be going deeper into some travel tips, some travel hacking. We're also going to be sharing with you some information about personal credit, business credit, how to be able to boost your personal credit, how to boost your business credit up. We'll be going into a lot of that as well. We're going to go into our software this month. We're going into teaching you about some different things that you need to know as a business owner. Today, we're going to talk about owner discretionary earnings, what that is. We're also going to talk about seller discretionary earnings, also known as SDE. So, follow us a little bit for this video. It's going to be a pretty short video, but I want to be able to give you this information. When we got privy to this information, I felt like I had a moral obligation to be able to share it. So we're going to do that with you today. Also, we want to give you access to becoming a member in our private school group community. It's a private VIP school group that you can have access to by watching the whole video. At the end of the video, we'll give you the code and what you're going to need to becoming a member into our group. The group is called DTI Information Network. In this group, we're going to go deeper into some travel tips, some travel hacks. We're going to go deeper into personal credit and how to make sure your personal credit should be structured so that you can actually qualify for some of the banking business products. We're going to make sure your business credit is intact and how to get your business credit up so that you can qualify for some business credit products. This group is going to go really deep with all this information, where we're going to have live coaches coming in. We're going to have courses that you can take. We're also going to go even heavier into commercial real estate in the multifamily sector, where some of you will actually have the opportunity to joint venture with us on buying your first apartment building and learning what it all entails. All right, but on this channel here, we're going to go a little bit deeper into our business credit software. And this software is going to be able to help you make sure that you have everything you need as a business owner. So I'm going to go a little bit deeper right now and talk to you about owner's discretionary earnings. Okay. If you own a small business that has a value of $5 million or less, then the valuation of your business will most likely be based on seller discretionary earnings, which is also called owner discretionary earnings. So we'll just call it SDE for short, right? So SDE is basically calculated by adding the salary, your payroll taxes, health benefits, retirement benefits, and financial perks that you, the owner of the business, were able to provide yourself, right? So this gives a potential buyer a good idea of how much income they can expect to get if they were to buy your business, right? So typically 70% of small businesses on the market are selling for less than $200,000 with a multiple of 3 or less times their SDE, with most of those businesses never being sold. So this is due to the fact that owners have worked hard for what could be years and earn less than $75,000 a year in doing so. They have only succeeded in creating a long hour, low paying job that is not attractive to potential buyers, right? So we teach you how to make your business to be more attractive to a buyer. We also have payroll tax information on the business side, and we've joint ventured with ADP to be able to provide that information. We have ADP coming into our private network, our private school group community, to be able to give you guys information, and they will give you our discount for being a part of a member to be able to get your payroll taxes, to get your retirement benefits, and also being able to get health benefits. So that is a huge perk. We're very excited to be able to offer that to members within our group. And we want to be able to offer that to you guys if you join our group as well. So by completing and optimizing all 12 key business success elements, the goal is to have your business create at least bare minimum 100,000 owner discretionary earnings and achieve 4 to 5 multiple of those earnings. Then, if you elect to sell, you could walk away with $500,000 or more. That's right, 500 racks or more you can walk away with. That is what you get when you get our business coaching. We will make sure that you can make this work for you, right? So businesses with strong owners' earnings and that have completed and optimized all 12 key success elements are usually very attractive to potential buyers and command a premium price when they are sold. So what does your current owner discretionary earnings look like? Well, that's what we need to find out. So if you want to be able to find this out, when you go to the link below and you click on the free business success scan, you're going to be able to find this information out. So click on the business success scan when you get a chance. And if you want to speak to one of our representatives, we will reach out to you, give you more information about this topic as well. I'm also going to play a small clip that you can also find on our website, but I'm going to play it for you here right now and give you a little bit more information. I like visuals, so if you like visuals as well, then here you go.
If you own a small business that has a value of $5 million or less, then the valuation of your business will most likely be based on your seller's discretionary earnings, which is also called owner's discretionary earnings. Seller's discretionary earnings, or SDE, is basically calculated by adding the salary, payroll taxes, health benefits, retirement benefits, and financial perks that you, the owner of the business, were able to provide for yourself. This gives a potential buyer a good idea of how much income they can expect if they buy your business. Typically, 70% of small businesses on the market are selling for less than $200,000, with a multiple of 3 or less, with most of those businesses never being sold at all. This is due to the fact that owners have worked hard for what could be years and earned less than $75,000 a year doing so. They have only succeeded in creating a long-hour, low-paying job for themselves that is not attractive to potential buyers. By completing and optimizing all 12 key business success elements, the goal is to have your business create at least $100,000 in owner's discretionary earnings and achieve a 4 or 5 multiple of those earnings. Then if you elect to sell, you could walk away with $500,000 or more. Businesses with strong owner's earnings that have completed and optimized all 12 key success elements are usually very attractive to potential buyers and command a premium price when sold.
All right. So that sounds like something you might want to know more information about. We highly recommend that you click on booking a free consultation with us so that we can get you some more information about that. Also, we want to make sure that you're able to get more videos and more value out of this channel. So click the like button, hit the subscribe button. We'll be trying to give as much value to you as possible in understanding business, understanding travel, also understanding personal credit and business credit. Okay, on this channel, we're going to be dropping a lot of free information. We feel like we have a moral obligation to share this information with you. We enjoy giving you this free information to take with you. All we ask is that you hit the notification bell so that you can watch the next one. Right, so not much. So also about the code to be able to getting into our private free VIP school group community. Because you watched all the way through, I'm going to let you know all you have to do is use the title of this particular video that you just watched, and that will give you access to being able to become a member inside of our DTI information network. So click the link below to take you over to the school group community. Once doing so, click the title of this, type in the title of this video that you just watched. and you will now become one of the members inside of our group, and you will be around other like-minded individuals just like yourself, so that you guys can get this information and access to some of our courses, some of our coaches, and some of the discounts that we have within our partner affiliations and our partner groups. We also will be allowing some of you to be able to joint venture with us on some of our real estate acquisitions once you guys go through the evaluation process. Okay, so once again, thank you for stopping by. We understand that your time is way more valuable than the money, so thank you for spending it with us. And we want you to be able to come back and see our channel once again. By clicking the notification bell, you will know when we drop our next video. Thank you again for stopping by, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video.